Kimberly Noel Kardashian has just launched the Ultimate Bush Faux Hair Micro String Thong Skims product line. The thongs come in an assortment of flavors and textures and fit true to size. Now, unfortunately, the first bushel of thongs have since sold out, but thankfully we have a couple months before the cold of winter hits for you to grow your own natural coat to keep your cat warm. With that being said, let's see how the internet responded. Got my own bush, just need string. At least it don't come with the scent. Scratch and sniff. Scratch and sniff will be diabolical. Man, that's a cooler coat to keep it warm for the winter. I also believe women should practice No Shave November to prepare for the winter months. So, it's like a winter sweater for hairless cats. I know that house smelling a little fishy. Don't y'all start. Shit look like beard hair. Whole time you think the coochie fat and it's really just a thong with hair. Hold on, is that where the term catfish came from? Wolf pussy, the 80s edition. I pray this era comes back because I've been in love with Bush since George W. took office. Imagine her coming over with a giant green bush. Limited edition with the drip. Fur for the hibernating beaver. Cover up her giant chalupa. You can wear a different color and then when someone asks, do the carpet match the drapes? You say, not today. That looked funky before someone even put their funky parts into it. Not funky parts. I can do this for free. Only it's flat and tame. I may have to use moves. What? Great. Now women can hide in bushes just like Fortnite. Must be for winter. We know you ain't putting fur on that thing in the Louisiana heat. Next COVID outbreak, I'm wearing one as a mask. Imagine wearing a used one. I totally would never do that. When you are into wigs and want the rug to match the drapes. She should have named them Bush Babes. R.I.P. Ed Gein, you would have loved these. Who the hell is Ed Gein? When Harry met Sally. Another soft pillow to lay on in the winter. Hell yeah, brother. If you show up at my house with a coochie cozy on, I'm putting you out. I'd only be mad if there wasn't a real bush under the faux one. Just remember, fellas, if you blow on it hard enough, you'll find the seam. I believe this works for both fake and real. In case your cat has alopecia! Came out here rescuing the farthest felines! I cannot! Ay, Jurassic!
How funny are these mark-ins, you guys? We have different colors, different hair. This is insane. Skims, baby.